Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be building the front bumpers on old Project Babe here. Well, front and back bumper. Obviously trucks don't have more than one bumper. My buddy slash brother-in-law is going to be helping me out. We're going to be using his shop, his welder and stuff like that, because I don't currently have a welder. I need to buy one. Probably not going to video a whole lot of it because I really just want to get it done. So I'll probably end up showing you, like, maybe if we take a break or something, show you our progress at that point. Or you'll just see them when they're done, one at a time. I'll show you. I think if the welds and everything turn out good enough, about letting the bumpers rust over a little bit and just clearing them, giving them that patina look. Haven't seen a whole lot of people do that. They are move bumpers. They seem to be made out of a really good thick steel, right around 1/4 inch thick for the back one. I haven't opened up the front one yet. So we're gonna get the back bumper taken off of this and try to get these both built today. Figure between the two of us we can get it done. He does a little bit of welding for a living. I used to be a certified welder. I mean, I'm still certified. I just haven't done it forever. That came out yesterday when I was trying to stick weld uphill on a planter that we were trying to get set up for planting our dove field. So we gotta get that planted. That'll probably be later on this week. Beginning of next week, we'll get that busted up and planted. I'll take y'all along for that ride too. But y'all just sit tight and we'll see how this goes. Alright guys, so we just finished up. Like I said, didn't show a whole lot of it because we really were on a time crunch to get it done, like everything around here. But we got our new move bumpers on. Put the name of the truck on there, Project Babe. They look awesome. Apparently he's having a little bit of a hard time getting that old Ford to start. Don't start like no Cummins does. Got the front one on. Put my family nickname Boo on there. Put the family nickname Boo on there. You know, I think I'm gonna leave them bare metal and let them rust a little bit, then I'll clear coat them. And I might even end up doing the whole truck that way instead of actually repainting it. Might give it that good solid patina look. I'm not really sure. Y'all let me know in the comments if that's kind of, y'all think that would be cool or not. So yeah, got the whole front end done up. Got to get a winch to put in there, and then my fog lights. Not sure exactly where we're going to mount those just yet, because I wanted to use round ones, but the way those angles are, I may not be able to use a round one. In the back though, I will be able to use my flush mount round ones and put them right here. Actually, that's still hot, don't touch that. But yeah, we'll put flush mount round ones there, and then of course, some D-rings on front and back. Get the winch mounted, get all that done. Like I said guys, we're making progress little by little. Adding our few little special touches like my name, the truck's name on there. And yeah, so I think it's gonna do us for today guys. I wanna thank y'all for watching. I know this was a short video, but we got a lot done. Y'all remember to like and subscribe. Check out my Instagram. It's always in the comments or in the description below. Sorry, I'm tired. And y'all stay frosty, and I'll see you next time.